Hello everyone, and welcome to Couple's Kitchen. In today's video we will make some kind of healthy muffins. For this recipe you will need 2 bananas, 3 tablespoons of wheat grits, 3 tablespoons of oatmeal, 3 tablespoons of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 full tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Also you will need 1 egg. First you will add bananas and then you will squish them with fork so it be easy for you to mix them. And now you will add egg, oil and honey, 2 big spoons. It would be perfect if you have a wooden spoon because of the honey, but we don't. Now you will mix. While you are mixing you will add all other dry ingredients. Now we will add the flour, baking powder, wheat grits, cocoa powder, and oatmeal. Before the next step you will need to turn on your oven on 180 degrees to get warm, and you will now take your dish. You can put these papers or don't, it's up to you, and take a spoon and fill them in. You don't need to overfill them. Just like that, and repeat the process for every other. So we fill them in, and now you put them in oven on 180 degrees for about 15 minutes, but you better check it yourself. So these are the healthy ones, but we can spoil them with a little bit of chocolate. Just place the chocolate in the middle and tuck it in a little bit. So they're done. The chocolate is still here. It almost melted, but not entirely. We'll now give it a cut so you can see the inside. So this is it. If you like this video, consider subscribe, like or share. Thank you for watching and ciao!
Ciao!